What's up, everybody? It's Charlie Wilson here at Mobility Works. We got a fully converted Toyota Sienna converted by VMI. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to get inside, as well as how to use a manual tie down. I'm about 6 foot tall, and this is one of the largest conversions, so let's see how easy I get in there. Uh-oh. Very nice. Smooth, right? Yeah? All right. So from here, turn the chair off. Now it's time to restrain the power chair. So you want to get your tie down. You want to get to the base part of it, not the anchor. From here, you just want to pull the top part of the restraint so that it can go down into the L track, okay? So you want to use these front L tracks here, then the ones that are on the very, very back plate. This plate is only used if the passenger's sitting up here on the very, very front passenger seat and this one's been removed. So from here, I just want to lift this pin and then put it right into the bed of the floor, that L track, so it is able to lock right into place. Perfect. Now we got that in there nice and good. From here, this will just loosen and tighten, just like any tie downs would, and lock right in place. So you just want to get really used to being able to lock these down, and then this will release it. And that'll give you any type of slack or additional room you need in getting that tie down together. So, good luck.